Lift.
Yep.
They're leaving anyway.
Yeah, they're done. They're back.
Good.
Drag me.
Well, you were still on that side of the
You have
yellow
to stay.
line.
You have to stay before the yellow line before anyone can.
Ah,
Are you gonna go shoot again?
What?
Are you gonna go shoot?
Yeah.
You know that the screen locks at the top, right?
Yeah.
Ears covered.
Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, you wanted that one. Have fun. All ready to go.
We're making new holes.
That's kind of the whole point.
I know.
I blinked every time.
Here, Kirsten, she says, you're making new holes, Doug.
I know.
I'm like, that's the whole point.
It's like we patched it all up. You're making holes. Soon I'm just gonna have an orange piece of cardboard.
That's okay.
You ready? You remember what to do?
I forget if I already pulled this. I forget if I already pulled it. I think I did.
When you pull the trigger, you'll know.
Yeah.
If it doesn't shoot anything, then you haven't pulled it yet.
Keep your elbow down. There you go. That way you keep it tight. It's easier to keep it tight that way.
I flinched over nothing.
You only put in one. There's 4 in there.
There's 4 in there. Keep shooting.
And all you gotta do is keep pulling the trigger. No, it's already loaded.
Oh,
Just pull the
okay.
trigger. That's what a semi-automatic is for.
That's why they're awesome. So I said that's why they're awesome. You have to stop, load it. It's like click, click, click.
Can you get bigger clips for that one, or just the 10 round?
I think they only make a 10 round for that particular one. There might be something you can get bigger, but if you can't do it in 10 rounds, that's why it's cool as it holds 17.
Yeah, if you can't kill anything in 3 rounds
Right here.
of that.
Exactly.
First round to figure out where you're shooting, second round to get a homing device, and third round
Ow.
just have to go to the office and get the foamies earplugs.
Still shooting left.
Not my fault. You're the one who did it.
I did not. Mine are in the package.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. I had it.
Having trouble, Kirsten.
Yeah.
Never mention I hate binoculars.
Can I borrow those after you're done? I want to see if I hit anything.
What are you aiming at when you shoot, Doug? The middle or that one?
Huh?
Are you aiming for the middle?
The right target.
Yeah, I know, but are you aiming in the middle?
Yeah, it's just kind of with that, you can't really get too accurate at this distance.
Oh.
As long as they're all on paper, I'm okay.
Well, they're
But what's
definitely all
pissing me
okay.
off is I keep going
dripping.
left.
Which one are you aiming at, sir? Oh.
I didn't want to accidentally.
Ah.
I can't do this.
Yeah,
So that's why I'm waiting.
Let me get these last couple in.
Oh. Shoot, I don't even think I hit anything. Kirsten, get out of the way! I don't even
But
think
now
I
I don't
hit
think I
anything. Yeah, all I saw was your face.
Thank you.
Yeah. I gotta get that.
You need more upper arm strength, woman.
Really kind of pisses me off.
Kirsten, is it easier to do it while sitting down?
Huh?
Is it easier while sitting down?
For me it is. Sorta.
Just.
where I'm
Good
supposed to be.
lovely.
But it's for a longer distance. So.
Which one are you aiming at, sis?
Right now, nothing.
I'm gonna steal your shirt.
My shirt?
Yeah, I'm gonna steal your shirt.
She likes the
Don't
wolfie.
steal my shirt.
I will. Let's do it.
I'm gonna hate myself for this. You know that, right?
Why?
I took off my hoodie. It's like now that it's right against my shoulder.
It's fine. It doesn't kick that hard.
I know.
I'd have lost the targets. Ah, there they are.
I couldn't remember if I loaded it or
Which
not.
one are you aiming for?
Huh?
Which one are you aiming for?
The first target.
Left or right?
The first target.
Left.
Left.
Fine.
First. Probably is easier for me to stand up on this though.
Miss.
Yeah, I know. Shut up.
Just helping you aim. Hush. Yeah, I missed.
My elbows
I
hurt
think
when I
that
don't
went
have
low
that
and
on.
left. Low and right.
Try hard, Kirsten. Try hard.
And it's not gonna work.
Did you bring yours, Carrie?
Oh, good lord.
Yeah, I can't do it.
It's stuck again.
Can you not get it again?
You only shot two, didn't you?
Yeah, it's on there pretty tight.
Ow. What the heck?
Yeah, that's why I can't do it either.
It's,
It never stuck on me.
I don't know what its problem is. Gotta get straightened out.
Oh, heartburn.
I'm gonna leave some grass real quick.
Excuse me. Low and to the right again.
Like I said, that one, it may be the sight.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm telling you low and to the right, so aim everything up and to the left. Yeah, I didn't see what that was.
Probably off.
I think that's it, dude.
Yeah.
Unless you put more than 5 in it.
No.
Or 4 in it.
Yeah, it popped back, so it's